Renuka Shivasa madam on account of madam birthday. Kindly wishing the birthday song to the madam.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. May God bless you. May God bless you. May God bless you. Happy birthday to you.
Our ashram, God gives good health, wealth and prosperity to madam and give more strength for doing this kind of charity works to the madam. On behalf of Purtidama family, all our blessings to the madam. Thank you. Thank you madam.